Alright you guys, I made it inside Costco. Some new deals going on. This one ends on the 27th. $13.49. Your limit will be 5. Always good to have. It's pretty cheap too. And this over here is going to be 20 and your limit is 5. Ends on the 27th. Don't forget Pantene. We have volumizing shampoo, $10 right now. Now this one does end on the 20th and limit will be 3. And for children, you guys might want to get a head start on it. It is $8 right now. They have the mittens, tech friendly. They could touch their phone, tablet, whatever. $8 ends on the 20th. And over here, $10.99 ends on the 20th. Your limit is 10. And they do also have it in gray. You can find them in the men too for $10.99. And these are going to be 15. The grape, no extra small, but you know. And $12.99 right now on the blanket. This ends on the 27th and your limit is 10. And here is a new one. Chanel knit or whatever. Yeah. 15 ends on the 27th. It's actually really soft. 15 bucks. $5 off was 20 ends on the 27th. $750. We have the DJI Mini 4. This is a Mini 4. Okay. I'm used to seeing the Mini 3. Pro Drone bundle. 4K active shots 360. Wasn't this the DJI 3? I thought it was.
It's 3, yeah, and it was only 400 bucks. It's a heck of a jump.
Well, this is number 4.
It'll get
$14.99 ends on the 13th. The ladies jacket. The grazing board is going to be $25. Let me show you the number. And then the bottom's going to be the flatware, which I will share with you. So that's going to be this right here. They have it in matte, or you want it in shiny, bright. They do have it for you. And a $16.99 measuring cups and spoons. And this one's going to be a 10 piece. Okay, we're always losing them, or you know, extra. And over here, this is the confetti one, not the gingerbread kind. So, I mean, you can use it all year long, but I feel like the gingerbread one you can use all year long too. Here we go. Okay, the flashlights are going to be 20. They're $5 off, and this one does end on the 20th. The chocolates right now are $11.99, and your limit is 4. Okay, we have the rope light, color changing rope light. It's going to be $29.99. So it looks like you get the remote and everything. Bear. Oh, this is sea salt and caramel. This is a new one. $7 ends November 10th. Sea salt and caramel, or caramel, whatever sounds fancy. Okay, so here is the wrapping paper. I know we didn't look at this, but my post office lady said, hey, do we have wrapping paper? We do. 15 bucks here. Here they are double-sided. Got a cute penguin. You know, Feliz Navidad, penguin, snowflakes. Snowman has stripe behind it. We got Santa, silver tree, snowflakes. They're 15 bucks. Here's a larger pick. Stuff dancing in the aisle. You look weird. Does anyone have a teen who dances with their AirPods in public, and then it's like
She reminds me of
15?
remember that movie where they were stealing money and Katie Holmes was in it and she just kept dancing all through the movie?
Oh
with her
yes.
headphones on?
Was that called Mad Money? Yeah.
That's what she reminds me of.
This is 15 bucks here. And they have the heavy duty tape, 20 bucks. Hey, not bad for 20, you guys. ends on the 29th. Okay, this one is new, $39.99. Spidey and Friends, like track set. And you get the little cars with it as well. Hey, they brought out the house, the kid craft. Oh, this is a big one. And it has wheels so they could wheel it around. Look at, they could, wow. This is a good one, 150 bucks. Normally this just be like 200 bucks back in the day. I noticed the doll houses are cheaper than back in the day. Look, you could fold it.
Yo!
And it has wheels. Look.
That would have been so useful.
I know.
It seems like kids don't even play with toys anymore. Maybe that's why it's going down in price.
Because these back in the day were 200.
Oh yeah, these are expensive.
Yeah, so I'm
The
like
rich kids had these.
the
I'm
rich.
like tall.
Oh my god, as tall as you.
Okay.
I've never seen this in my Costco. Looks like somebody brought this back or ordered it online. They had an animated mummy for $175. Okay, we have raw honeycomb here, which is going to be $25. Vanilla extract is $10. Better than bouillon over there is $8.99, and we'll get to that. So here's the honeycomb. And then the vanilla, and then right here. And $20 here. Okay, this is great. Snowboarding, snow, all that fantastic stuff you're gonna do in the winter. Okay, we have creamy cranberry jalapeno right here. And that is $8.99. $3.99 here. They brought out the beef chili, so $16.88. And then we have New England clam chowder. Right now this one ends on the 20th and it's $9.39. White chicken wild rice is gonna be $9.39 as well. Ends on the 3rd of November. So it looks like we're finding a little bit of November. I only see 2 November deals, but you know. Autumn green salad with champagne vinaigrette. This is new, $9.90. And this is $5.99. Okay, guys, stop arguing. This is sheep milk. What? $15.99 with coconut milk. What? Hold on. Oops, I'm filming still. Why did you say that?
Yeah, they're gonna think.
At $13.69. It wasn't on camera. $13.69. Some are missing, or they could have broken. Children could have broke it.
5 are missing.
$89.99. I believe I did share this one before. Okay, right here, $59.99. This is a Tommy Bahama extra large padded chair. Look, it has padding in it for you guys.
That's a nice chair.
Oh, you like it? And look how cute. These
I
are
want that so bad.
Okay, these are 100. Calm down. And then the toothbrush right now are 120, you guys. They end on the 20th. So again, good deal because again, you will get two in here too. A digital ceramic tower full room heater. This one is $42.99. And it does end November 3rd. I keep wanting to say 11th. I don't know why. Okay, here is something new. The Glow Tech. It's a beauty case. You get black or pink with the mirror. It's going to be $49.99. And here's another one. The oval foldable travel mirror for $20.
Christopher Green and his girlfriend.
I was like, who the hell is that?
It's Christopher Green.
$28.99 a 6-piece. Apply lashes in seconds. Body heat activated. These are new. They're by the brand Lily. No groom needed. 20. Alright, you guys, that is going to do it for Costco. Please stay safe and I will see all of you in the next one.